Hi, my name is Curtis Galbert, and I will be talking about the human variation, which is the range of possible values for any characteristic, physical or mental, of human beings, also including cognitive ability, personality, physical appearance, skin color, and body shape. In this picture above, you can see the comparison of Neanderthal DNA contributes to human gene expression. Modern evolution synthesis and human variation, known as neo-Darwinism, focuses attention on a new understanding of biological species. In the chart above, human genetic variation is the genetic difference in many populations. There can be a multiple variants in any different gene in the human population, which is polymorphism. No two humans are identical genetically. Alleles occur at separate frequencies in multiple human populations. Given the concept, what we believe in is that biological race are far away from being homogeneous. Research has shown sequences around the world that 90% of human genetic variation lives within what we picture to be more or less separate races, and only between 10% being the same. On the main topic of human variation, I will explain the evolution of its skin color and specifics. Variation in human skin color are adaptive traits that matches closely geography and the sun's ultraviolet UV radiation.
Melanin is the natural pigmentation in organisms and in humans, what makes the skin lighter to darker. The reason melanin would be darker is for the protection from UV radiation because it can be harmful effects on the skin. This info gives us an idea the evolution in skin tone and where it came from, and from the early humans. The earliest humans lived close to the equator in Africa where sunlight was at a high exposure and gives a darker pigmentation. From this, as the mankind began to evolve and expand beyond, they were adapted to different regions and areas. In the altitude of these areas and regions had less exposure to sunlight, and this is why the pigmentation was lighter, so they could access more UV radiation into the body for vitamin D. This is what allowed humans to adapt to areas that are colder but receive UV radiation as needed for vitamin D to continue to survive. This concludes my video on modern variation and the evolution of skin color.